Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode of Chainsawman. I think this is what, episode 8, episode 9, one of the two. But on the last episode, we ain't even finna talk about what happened last episode. That was disgusting. I'm just finna gloss over that. Like, comment, subscribe. Link to the Patreon is in the description, man. We finna see what's cracking this episode. Hopefully Denji's straight now. Yeah, man. I don't want to reawaken that memory. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Without further ado, let's get into the video. What was your response, Denji? The moment of truth. Yo. Hi, Denji. Denji going for it. He going. He gonna poke out last minute. Well, I mean, that's already chalk. Draw the line, Denji. Oh, he on go. Okay. Yo, nah, son. They can't be letting just anybody watch this anime, bro. You better get y'all about to get me, bro. Y'all about to get me banned. What the hell? Hey, nah. This whole thing might get cut. Dang, Danji. Oh, had his first experience ruined. That's tough. Yo, she wrapped around the finger, bro. The thing about her is it's like sometimes it seems like she being genuine, but deep down I can't help the feeling that she's still using him. Like, where's the line drawn? How much of it is genuine? That's what I really want to figure out. Nah, Denji real for that, bro. He had to show some real willpower. That's right, Denji's 16. Nah, son, what is this anime on, bro? Oh, say less. Secret alliance. Oh, she want Aki. Check the weather in, it's getting real Aki outside. Yo. Why does he look like Hinata in that shot? Would you look at that? Denji making friends. Isn't that one of the things he wanted? Whoa, what the hell? Is this a plot? Are they plotting on Makima right now? Yeah. Whoa. 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 What? What? Nah. What? Nigga, what the hell? Nah, bro, what's going on, bro? Whoa. They plotting against the whole crew, no? Or is this just random acts of violence? Who are these guns getting pulled out on? They plotting to take out the whole team? You an assassin too? Why are they taking them out? Who is this? It's got to be the Gun Devil's hitman. The Gun Devil must got folks. Yakuza. I wonder if he knew Denji's dad. Nah, what the hell is going on? We just turned up out of nowhere. Yeah, he pulling out the strap. Oh. That was the dude that set him up. Damn, they blicking on everybody. Denji gonna be straight though. Power knocks the fuck out of him. Did he just get off like that? Damn, why not the whole monster for his ass? What the hell? Oh, they got Himeno in the chest. Something outrageous. Neither you. No way. What is that? That's a devil. Are those katanas? What the fuck? And he brought out the katana to fight him. Oh, damn. Aki about to lose years off his life. So what is this, a katana devil? Scrap him. 3. What the hell are you talking about? What the hell? Nah, Kon can't be dead though. Damn. That's 2. Is that Aki's katana that's counting down? That's how many hits he's allowed? That's 3 hits he just took. Wow, so that's the curse. Take his ass out. Please, because I know this nigga gonna be problems. What the hell? Bro, this shit came out of left fucking field. This shit came out of nowhere. Alright, Himeno gonna be straight. Oh. The Gun Devil is after Denji's heart. Damn, he ain't even dead. And where'd all the blood go? Oh yeah, nah, it's up. We need help. No. Stop. Shit. Nah. Power. Take them boys and dip. Damn. She dying this early? I knew she was gonna die. I ain't expect her to die in the first season though. Wow. Yeah, brought out the whole shebang. Yeah, it's over. Damn, that's a creepy ass ghost, bro. Imagine all this and the devil still don't die. Did her arm just disappear? Like, was it taken from her? Just like her eye? Because if that's the case, then she just gonna disappear. Oh, damn. Damn. Yeah, all for nothing. That's tough. Aki dip. Y'all gotta dip. Power dip. Shit. So the ghost you made a pact with is dead. So doesn't that mean you die no matter what? Oh yeah, Himeno done. Yeah, I knew it. She would disappear. Damn. Nah, Al show was cold. I don't know. I like his voice. He's so distinct. But yo, what the fuck happened this episode, bruh? Time out. So, is Makima really dead? Cause that's kind of crazy, bro. Out of nowhere, off rip, she on a trip to Kyoto. You got 4 niggas ducked down, 2 in front, 2 behind. Pop up out the cut, bang, it's up. Damn. I don't know. That looked like she was dead. Unless she has a pact with the devil, she done. I don't know how that works though, cause that just threw off every prediction I've made for the future of the show. If she's really gone, that completely changes the landscape of this show. That's crazy. Himeno tried to go all out to kill what I can assume is a katana devil, because it was a bunch of swords. And just for her to get her whole shit eaten by that snake from the shorty that pulled up. So Himeno dead. Denji got capped in the head, but he's the Chainsawman, so I doubt he dead. He's straight. Apparently Power shook because she knows she can't hang. Aki gotta get out of there. Like ASAP. No Rocky. Dude, what the hell, bro? Everything just flipped on a dime, bro. Like, this is actually crazy. Yo, now I see what they meant when they said Chainsaw Man, anybody could get it, bro. Because you would have never expected, like, I would expect the last 2 episodes of the season, but, bro, we still got 4 more episodes. Like, this is what we're doing? Like, that's kind of crazy, bro. So Makima might actually be dead, because that was looking like a fatality. I don't think she has a pact with anything. Damn. And then we can't forget they put up on Hayakawa and what's her name? The old lady pulled up on them and sent shots. We didn't see if they actually died though. They might have avoided it. It looks like they're after that entire crew. So that leads me to suspect that it's the gun devil. Because dude was sitting in there eating. He put out a picture of him and his dad was the dude that turned on Denji in episode 1, so that's kind of crazy. So he probably might have already had a vendetta against him for that. I don't know if he knows that his father made a pact with that zombie devil. I don't know if he knows that, but bro, it seems like they're all working for the gun devil. Cause keep in mind, Aki said nobody except for the police and us in the sectors can be able to get their hands on guns. So how the hell did all these people get their hands on guns? The gun devil, it's gotta be. So this nigga's moving militant, bro. The gun devil's moving militant. So obviously he probably knows they're after him. So I'm gonna get you before you get me. But the only thing about that is, what do they want with Denji's heart? Why do they want Denji to be eaten so bad? Why does everybody want Denji? Cause I don't know. Now I think about it. In the first episode, we saw when Denji first met the Pochita. When they first met, Pochita was banged up, like limping, probably about to die, bleeding out type shit. How did Pochita get like that? I guess that's a question I gotta ask. Because I doubt Denji would be that much of a prominent figure if he hadn't fused with Pochita. Because before he fused, he was already a devil hunter per se, but it was like more of a bounty hunter because he wasn't under any company or anything. He was just doing it to get money so he could get out of debt. So it's like, I wonder if it's because Denji was already nasty at killing devils, which I highly doubt, because I mean, I guess there's a bunch of people that do that shit, so it's like he wouldn't really be on anybody's radar. So it's gotta be because he fused with Pochita, which means we gotta see what Pochita was on before meeting Denji, cause that's the only thing it could be, unless the gun devil was already after Pochita so that he could get, or she, I don't know if it's a he or she, the gun devil, but so they could get 2 abilities. I don't know if that's possible though. Is it possible for one person to have pacts with multiple devils, like to fuse with multiple devils? Cause if it's the gun devil and he's already that powerful to where his bullets give other devils like mad upgrades, imagine if he was to get his hands on the chainsaw devil. So he'd have chainsaws, he'd have guns, he'd have the bullets. That's like unbeatable. At that point, you rule the world. Cause we saw what he did. He blew away entire cities. Unless he already has a second one, and this would be like his third. He collecting them shits like it's all for one. He might be moving like that, but yo, they just came out of nowhere and start killing folks, bro. No, bro. I did not expect it to go like this. After that way that episode started, I should have figured that was gonna happen, bro. I should have seen that coming. Cause it started off way too wholesome, bro. It started off way too wholesome. Damn. This that kind of show, huh? This that kind of show. Okay, Chainsawman, I see what we on. What the fuck though, bro? Damn. I don't know what to think. Man. That was crazy. So next week is gonna be something else, bro. I know these next episodes gonna be something else. But yo, man, that's it for now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Patreon in the description below. Chainsawman, man, we catching bodies, Rest in power, Himeno. You was cool, man. We just met her too, bro. I feel like we just met her. I mean, I knew she was gonna die. I couldn't have anticipated it happening this soon. I could not have anticipated it happening this soon. But yo, damn. That's all I can say right now, man. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll catch you on the next reaction.